Hi everybody, different view. I gotta take that out of my ear. Okay, you can kind of see me a little bit. I'll set back for a minute. You see my wreath right here. I have got a little project for me to do for the laundry room. Wasn't quite finished with the laundry room yet with stuff, and I'm probably not. So I got this chalkboard paint at Dollar Tree. I'm hoping that it's better than this other crud, this other stuff, because this stuff sucks. And we'll mix it up real good. I showed this in my, I think I did a complete laundry room thing. You have to go check my laundry room playlist of everything that I got for that. Well, I found this frame and it's chipped, which is what I like, but it didn't have anything here. And I thought about putting a picture in here, and then I was like, no, I don't want to do that. Then I got thinking, wouldn't it be fun to do a chalkboard? And I'm like, I'm not going to find a chalkboard to fit in there. So I had, excuse me, I had some of this board left that we used for the walls in the laundry room. And I'm like, well, I can use the back of it for the chalkboard. So my husband took it out to his shop and he got it to fit perfect. Look at that. So we are going to try our hand at, I'm going to put this down here so I don't get black on it. Chalkboard paint. I've never done this before. I don't think Ariel has either. And I'm going to try it out. And we are going to see how this stuff works. If it works. I don't know. What does it say? Create usable chalkboard surfaces with chalkboard paint. Simply brush paint onto a porous project surface, let it dry, then condition with chalk. Perfect for adding an area for lists, messages, and doodles on furniture, doors, drawers, and more. Water-based, non-toxic. Clean while wet with soap and water. So it says, let it dry, then condition with chalk. I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means. If you put chalk all over it, I have no idea. We are going to just put some on here. It's thick and it's black. So I don't really smell a horrible smell yet. I'm happy with the color though, on how it's coming out. Does it smell? I don't want to stick my face in it. But I thought it would be fun to do like a little chalkboard in that frame. I guess I put too much on here. Whoops. I bought 2 bottles of that. I only needed one and I only put out like a 1/4 teaspoon of it. It didn't need very much. I don't know how long it dries. I like it though. I don't know how you get it to smooth, you know, because you're going to see brush strokes. Okay. Well, let's pick it up so you can see. There it is. See? Still wet. Looks like it may work. That's fun. Don't need very much of it, that's for sure. Yeah, you don't need very much of it. I wish it said this is Crafter's Square and this is Craft Wise. This needs to be this thickness needs to be in this paint, and it's not. Maybe it's old or something. I don't know, but it's awful watery. Or maybe you have to mix it up real good. I don't know, because it sucks. I don't know, because it's really watery. So that's why I mixed it with my other stuff. So I guess that was fun. That didn't take long. So I'll probably just let it dry overnight. I better take that upstairs and empty it. Let it dry overnight and see what happens with it. And then I will be back tomorrow with seeing how it is. And if it's all dry, then I got chalk. I got some chalk. And I will see how it works. And then I will glue it in here. I got some wood glue, and I'll just glue it in here. I'll glue it in with some wood glue. It'll never come out for the rest of its life. And I guess we'll see. But I'm excited about that for a little thing. So I will be back tomorrow. Hold some of this up so it doesn't get all over the place. There. Okay, we will see you again tomorrow. Okay, it is tomorrow. It is tomorrow. I had to go grab a Q-tip to do this and waiting for the stuff to come down. Okay, so here's what it looks like. I did 2 coats of the chalkboard paint from Dollar Tree. So there's what it looks like. It came out pretty good. I have a piece of chalk, and I have the frame. We are going to turn it around, and there's a little lip right here. That's what I'm going to put the wood glue on, and I'm going to put it on with a Q-tip before I put this in there. And let's see, I don't want to use much because I don't want it to squeeze out, but I want it to hold. You hear the engine thing in the background? That is my air conditioner. Let's this in. Okay, so put that down. We will rub this in here. So it doesn't squeeze out. And I think this stuff dries clear, but I'm not sure. So we will put this down. And there's my chalkboard. Look at that. Well, it's got a glue. I might have to put more glue in there. But hopefully not. We'll wait a few minutes for this to dry, and I will be right back. Okay, let's see if it is dry. Let's see if it's gonna come out. Okay, hopefully it won't come out, so here we go. Isn't that cute, guys? Oh, I love it. So, I just need to get my husband to put a nail in here so I can hang it on the wall. But let's take the chalk. I'm gonna have to get an eraser, but let's just write Look at that. Nice. Let's see how it erases. If you get it wet, it erases better. So we'll have to make sure we get an eraser or get a wet rag. But how gorgeous is that? So that came out good for the laundry room. I'm excited. I can actually use it down here too if I want to put like welcome Halloween time or whatever. So I'm not sure. We'll see if I put it up there or keep it down here. But there we go. How fun is that? So an old frame, you can get one at your local thrift store for like $1, 50 cents or whatever. Get a piece of wood to put on the insert. You know, you can go to Home Depot or wherever to see if they have remnants, you know, little remnants, and you could probably pick one up for like 50 cents or $1 or whatever. And they could probably even cut it to what you need. But my husband is handy, so he just cut it out. He measured it or whatever and cut it out for me. And then you just get some of this. This is $1. If you get a frame from the thrift store, maybe another $1, couple dollars maybe. Definitely under 10 bucks. So, highly recommend. Isn't that fun? So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and we will see you in the next video. Bye now. Make sure you like and subscribe.